we're back with another video. So in this video, we're gonna teach you the Gauss-Seidel method. We have taught you the secant method, the false position method, and the Gauss-Jacobi method. We've provided you the complete explanation of all these methods, and we have solved questions applying all these methods. And of course, we have provided you the code of all those methods in the Java or Python language. So coming on to the Gauss-Seidel method, this method is basically 80% similar to the Gauss-Jacobi method, which we taught in a previous video. So coming on to the Gauss-Seidel method, this is our question, and we have to calculate the value of x, y, and z. So in the first step, to get the value of x, we're gonna put y and z equals to 0 as we did in the Gauss-Jacobi method. We're gonna put y and z equals to 0 and solve the equation for x to get the value of x. So after getting the value of x in the first equation, and we will solve it further. So second equation, to get the value of y. To get the value of y, we're gonna put z equals to 0. We're gonna put z equals to 0, and we're gonna put the value of x which we calculated in the first step. So we're gonna get the value of y, and in the next step, we're gonna put to calculate the value of z, we're gonna put the value of y which we calculated in the second step, and the value of x which we calculated in the first step in this equation to get the value of z. So coming on to the next iteration, we got the value of x, y, and z, and in the first iteration, to get the value of x, y, and z, of course, in the first equation, we're gonna put the value of y and z which we calculated in the first iteration. We're gonna put this in this equation to get the value of x. So coming on to the next step, in the second iteration, of course, to get the value of y, we're gonna put the value of z which we calculated in the first iteration, and the value of x which we calculated in the first step of the second iteration. Which means in the second iteration, in the first step, we got the value of x, which we put y and z equals to the value of which we calculated in the first iteration. So we'll get the value of y, and of course to get the value of z, we're going to put the value of x and y which we calculated in the second iteration of the second step. We're going to calculate to get the value of z, we're going to put the value of x and y which we calculated in the second and first step of the second iteration. So yeah, that's basically it. Like this was the Gauss-Seidel method, and of course we're gonna solve a question in the next video, and we will of course provide you the code of this method in the Java or Python language. We will decide it based on your comments. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. See you.